Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Another episode of Chasing the Bite. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gents. We are at a new location. Give you a little look-see. A little 360. Quite a bit of ways and up north. A little bit of a drive, but it was nice.
How long of a drive? Hour?
About an hour and a half-ish.
Up north. More up north. Fishing upstream is always supposed to be better theoretically. Salmon. I've seen pike minnow are here too. Both types of catfish. Couple different types of salmon, as well as steelhead. And I also think there is sea run cutthroat here. So, might be able to catch some trout as well. Super excited.
So we'll see. Definitely not going down there.
Could I see this? You want to go check out right? Or you want to go get left first?
Let's go left.
Left to right?
Oh, look at that right up there. Right up there, ladies and gents. Shut up, you. It's beautimous. All right. Let's go check this spot down here. See what we get. All right, ladies and gents, we're on our way back to camp. And we spotted this guy or girl, I don't know.
We don't discriminate.
We didn't bring any bait with us on this camping trip, so packing up right now. It's 11:03, so packing up right now, heading back to camp. Get some liquid in us and some liquid nitrogen in us, and then we're gonna head to the store and go pick up some bait. Catch y'all then.
We're back. Just got back from the store. Explain.
Nummy.
Nummy what?
Chicken liver.
Tell me. So we got some chicken liver.
With some Kool-Aid.
And some Kool-Aid. We changed up the flavor, so hopefully the caddies like the tropical punch better. Cherry was not hitting for him.
I'm making hang
Crazy for the ass.
Got them blackberries on deck, boy. Damn. Ew. get some dope ass footage. As I say that, dude, a fucking little ass fly bumps him. Damn! Turned to buffalo. Holy shit, he's still going! Dude, he disappeared.
Mercy.
Specimen. Look at them. They're definitely dope as hell.
So did I.
There went my pantalones.